you just stay alert, do your work, don't worry about the world going by. It doesn't mean that you can sit around and not do anything. You've got to get your in gear and do it. And don't take no for an answer. Translate those ideas to cinema or to a painting or to whatever, and figure out a way to get it done.
Abominable, repugnante, inmunda es la galería de esta velada. El amor es un perro del infierno, y yo lo sé, por pura ósmosis. ¿Y tú lo sabes? ¿O lo adivinas si lo averiguas? No hay carro que te tumbe, no hay catarro que te acerque al derrumbe. Hay camas vacías y focos y luciérnagas y profundas ciénagas que me atraen.
All the silver and gold only made my
Hay soledad tan grande que puedes verla en el movimiento de las manos de un reloj. Gente tan cansada, mutilada, tanto por el amor como por la ausencia de amor. La gente no es tan buena para el otro, uno a uno. Los ricos no son buenos para ser ricos. Los pobres no son buenos para ser pobres. Tenemos miedo. Nuestro sistema educativo nos dice que todos podemos ser bien pinche ganadores. No nos han dicho sobre las alcantarillas, o los suicidios, o sobre el terror de una persona dolorida, sola, en un lugar, sin ser nombrada para regar una planta. Recuerda, alma mía, el objeto que esta dulce mañana de verano hemos contemplado. Al torcer de un sendero, una carroña infame, en un cauce lleno de quijas, con las piernas al aire cual lúbrica mujer, ardiente y sudando venenos. Abría descuidada y cínica su vientre, lleno todo de emanaciones. Irradiaba sobre esta podedumbre el sol, como para coserla al punto justo y devolver el céntuplo a la naturaleza, lo que reunido ella juntaba, y el cielo contemplaba a la osamenta soberbia, lo mismo que una flor abrirse.
met a friend of spirit, drunk with sage's eyes, as I sat before his sanity. I was holding back from crying. He saw my complications, and he mirrored me back, simplified. And we laughed how our perfection would always be denied. Heart and humor and humility, he said, will lighten up your heavy load. And he sent me then to the refuge of the roads. I fell in with some drifters, cast upon a beach town, Winn-Dixie cold cat thieves and highway hand-me-downs. And I wound up fixing dinner for them in Boston, Jim. I well up with affection, thinking back down the roads to him. The nets were overflowing in the Gulf of Mexico. Oh, they were overflowing in the refuge of the roads. There was spring along the ditches. There were good times in the cities. Oh, radiant happiness. It was all so light and easy until I started analyzing, and I brought on my old ways. A thunderhead of judgment was gathering in my gaze. And it made most people nervous. They just didn't want to know what I was seeing in the refuge of the roads. Crickets clicking in the ferns, like a wheel of fortune. I heard my fate turn, 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 and I went running down a white sand road. I was running like a white-ass deer, running to lose the blues, to the innocence in here. These are the clouds of Michelangelo, muscular with clouds and sun gold. stars shine on your witness, taking refuge in the ruins. In a highway service station over the month of June was a photograph of the earth taken coming back from the moon. And you couldn't see a city on that marble bowling ball, or a forest, or a highway. For me here, least of all, you couldn't see these cold water restrooms, or this baggage overload, westbound and rolling, taking refuge